Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys that how to get the creative fill lobby to yourself to use the charge shotgun. So as you guys know that Fortnite introduced the charge shotgun in Fortnite Chapter 2 Season 3, and they didn't even put it into the creative loot pool. So like if you have to practice with that shotgun, like you have to go in like PR battle lab and creative fill lobbies. uh, like when you go in creative fill lobbies and open a map to use the charge shotgun, many people like coming to your island and it's kind of actually irritating. So today I'm going to show you guys how to get a creative fill lobby to yourself to practice with the charge shotgun. Yeah guys, I'm going to tell you guys the process for getting the creative fill lobby to yourself, but you guys have to like do it kind of pretty quickly to get the lobby to yourself. So as you guys can see that first like you have to click play, and as soon as you click play you have to click change, and then after that it's going to ask you like do you want a normal creative lobby or a creative fill lobby. So you guys are going to click creative fill, and then click don't fill in the match mode selecting options. So yeah guys, then click accept. So yeah guys, as you can see that I'm in a creative fill server by myself, which is pretty good. So yeah guys, now I'm going to put in the code for a charge shotgun map, and so as you can see that I put the BHE build fights map code in creative. So yeah guys, I'm going to go in this map now and show you guys that proof that we can use the charge shotgun. So as you can see like now I'm in the map. I'm gonna get the grappler, go into the vault, now let's see that and yeah guys, now as you can see that there is the charge shotgun in this vault. So yeah guys, this is how you get the charge shotgun in creative. Guys, if this tutorial helped you, then please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It will like mean a lot to me. So yeah guys, it's been HSK, until then, peace out.